here at Kindle Cashflow Live. We're actually in a workout breakout session right now. If you have not joined us at a live event, Kindle Cashflow Live or Kindle Cashflow Workshop, now is your chance. I want you to check out the tour page, which is over at
KindleCashflowTour.com.
KindleCashflowTour.com. We are all over the place. So the reason why we're doing this is because we want to remove all barriers. We want you to be able to come out. You know, I just spoke to somebody that came out from Canada.
Yeah.
Spoke to somebody that came out from California. We've got a few people from Utah, from Texas, from Florida, from Atlanta.
Someone whose friend sent her. She actually lives here, but her friend is in Hawaii. Her friend couldn't make it, so she bought her ticket so that her friend can come and learn for the both of them.
We need friends like that, so that's
Yeah.
pretty cool. So,
why y'all not buying us stuff?
Right. So here's the thing: KindleCashflowTour.com. Find out where we're going to be next, so that you could be part of this audience. I mean, we have people from all walks of life. Let me show you around here. We have people from all walks of life that are joining us. There's no reason why you shouldn't be here. This is something that is not only fun, but it's very, very cool. There's something about learning in a hands-on environment that totally changes things for you. So there's something about being able to come up here and learn from Marty or Josh or myself, and I think there's something different. With Lori, the great Lori Morgan here. She just walked up. She was talking to Lenny the boss about something that I kind of overheard. And right now, what we're working on is, if you can tell, there's upward on the screen there. So we're talking about outsourcing, and I think you just posted your project.
I just posted it, like, just right now.
Yep. Okay.
Then I went to the bathroom, I came back.
And you got a response?
And I have a
already?
response.
Okay. So now, the response that you got from someone, you said that this person's outside of the U.S., right?
Yeah.
Okay. So there's a couple of countries that we want to look for our ghostwriters in, you know, mainly primarily English-speaking countries, the U.S., Canada, Australia, etc. But the fact that you got a response that quickly, you just posted it, and you went to the bathroom and you came back,
Right.
proves that this works.
It works fast.
Right? So
it
works
works
fast.
fast.
So
Yeah.
pretty cool. So I wanted to get that out there. Lori,
Oh,
where are you
yeah.
from?
Now I live in Acton, California.
Okay, so you're joining us from California here in Las Vegas, and very cool to have you.
It's awesome.
Right,
It's
so-
really learning good stuff. I love it.
He just finished attending the event. So, in 10 seconds, what do you think? What was your biggest takeaway?
I was just impressed with you and all the people that you have here coaching us. I thought it was really transparent, and I thought it was very helpful and eye-opening. So even though I was already in the course and I knew it did, I think it was even more helpful to come here than I could have imagined. So
Very cool. Very cool. Hey, I appreciate you. I know you've got a flight to catch. We'll see you at the next one. So if you have not joined us for one of our live events, you want to make sure that you go in and visit Kindle Cashflow Tour and join us at the next one. Can't wait to see you. This is where it totally changes for you.